Hi, welcome to my channel. I will be telling you about how to decor Scandinavian kitchen ideas. First point, light and neutral color palette. Opt for a clean and airy look by using white, light gray, or pastel shades for the walls, cabinets, and countertops. Second point, minimalist design. Embrace simplicity by keeping the kitchen clutter free and focusing on essential items only. Third point, natural materials. Incorporate natural elements like wood and stone for a warm and organic feel. Wooden countertops, floors, and open shelving can add a Scandinavian touch. Fourth point, open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to showcase your beautiful kitchenware and create an open and inviting atmosphere. Fifth point, sleek and functional storage. Use a streamlined cabinets with a clever storage solution to maximize space and keep everything organized. Sixth point, light filled space. Enhance natural light by using sheer or light colored window treatments that allow sunlight to flood the kitchen. Seventh point, statement lighting. Install pendant lights or modern fixture with clean line to add a focal point and a touch of elegance to the kitchen. Eighth point, minimalist hardware. Choose simple and understood cabinet handles and knobs made of materials like brushed nickel or matte black. Ninth point, Scandinavian textile. Add texture and pops of color through textiles such as spread dish towels, patterned rugs, or curtains and Nordic inspired prints. 10th point, indoor plants. Bring a touch of nature into your Scandinavian kitchen by incorporating pot plants or fresh herbs on the windowsill. 11th point, functional workspace. Create a dedicated area for meal prep and cooking with the spacious countertops and a well-organized layout. 12th point, geometric patterns. Introduce suitable geometric patterns through backsplash tiles or wallpaper to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.